growing nice. I don't know what's going on right now. And over here is my pretty flowers, and that's the cucumbers are growing. And I had to put more blocking up there because I kept eating all the new ones that popped out. So I got that up there to grow through it, and then when that gets tall enough, I'll take the top off and let it keep on growing. Or maybe bring that up higher and let it kind of like have a little lift to it so I can like still be able to lift it and move it around or whatever. I don't know. I got that far. First time I ever did cucumbers in here. I was going to give it a try. I thought about putting them in there, but I thought, oh, sweet potatoes in a pot, it would be easy to dump them out than trying to dig through all